Hey, so the last thing for us to do is put in the shower door, so come on in, I want to show you what we're going to do. So it's a 60-inch shower door, it's frameless, it's going to have a barn track across the top of it, and it's even going to have a glass return side panel to allow as much light in as possible. So let's see what it takes for them to put it in now. All right, here it is, the big reveal of our bathroom renovation project. So come on in, let me show you what we did. Remove the small vanity, and we put this massive vanity in with a quartz countertop, drawers down each side, and brush nipple fixtures. Then we got rid of the soffit light and mirror, and we added a 60 by 45 LED mirror for plenty of light. Additional storage was added by a tall linen cabinet and even an over-the-john cabinet. Now we did splurge on the skirted toilet and the bidet toilet seat, but the biggest impact is getting rid of the tub and adding this rock and resin shower pan in and this heavy glass barn track shower door. For ease of use, we added dual controls so that we could operate the overhead shower, the wall shower, or both at the same time. We chose a 12 by 24 polished porcelain tile for its high shine and its maintenance-free durability. Now we wrapped it all up with this organic feel, maintenance-free flooring for its high contrast against all the bright white fixtures. Now, if you like any of the products you saw, just go to our product page. Now, the big question is, tell me, what was your favorite feature in this bathroom?